Alrighty, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these curls. We're going to be doing a little bit of a review on a new curling iron that I have. So I'm really excited because I love hair care, hair things, styling my hair. I love it. So anytime that I can do this on my channel, I will. So I am going to be reviewing this Duvolle curling one today. It is their Pro Series one. It's a titanium curling one. So for probably 4 years I used just a Conair wand, and then I had a time iron. I've done so many videos with it on my channel, but it's like a 2-in-1 curling iron and straightener. I used a time iron for like, I want to say a good 3 years straight. I'm kind of tired after using like the same hot tool for like 3-4 years. It gets old. So when they reached out to me, I thought, yeah, I want to get back into using a wand because wands are so easy to use. They did send over a glove, but my dog ended up taking it, so I don't know where it is. In a clip when I was doing my hair, I showed you guys that the glove was a little bit too big, so the glove's not going to fit me, but I know I do have extra hot tool gloves, and I know that I think my sisters have a couple, so at the end of the day, I'm going to get one. It's just, that one's just too big for me to be able to like get the ends of my hair. But that's okay. Kind of expected it because my hands are so tiny. But anyway, let's get into this. This has an extremely long cord, which I appreciate because I hate hot tools that do not have a long cord. So this one has an extremely long cord. Okay, at the end here, this turns with you, so when you're doing your hair, you're not stiff. You can actually move the curling iron, which is really good. I absolutely love this here. Okay, so this says the name on it. It says Duvolle, and then right here is where you see like your temperature, and then you have your on and off button. So you gotta hold it down to turn it on and off. When it's on, it's going to turn red, and then when you want to turn it off, you hold it down and it's going to say off. And then you have your plus and minus button. One thing I really want to mention is when you're actually holding your hair to curl it, you're not touching these buttons. That's one thing that would really annoy me with any other type of curling iron or wand. I'd always be touching these while curling my hair, and I would turn it on and off. I would turn the temperature down, I would turn the temperature up. That's one thing I really like. It's almost like my hands land right here, which is actually right above like the buttons. The one thing with the titanium barrel is I find it's just a lot better. You're not having a lot more static. There's not as much damage. The curls last longer. I've noticed a huge difference using a titanium barrel. That's one thing that I like. I know they're a lot more expensive, but it's just a lot better, I find. You get a lot more of a nicer curl. That's how I see it. So the other part is this is extremely light. Like, this is very light. I could take this traveling with me and it's going to be good and it's going to be okay. So I really like that about it. So it does have different like temperature settings. So what I would recommend is you would figure out the right setting for your hair. I like to go to 430 just because that works best for me. I have very thick, coarse, my hair is longer, my hair is dyed, bleached, so I like my hair to actually take the curl, and I would rather have it super curly and brush it out than not have a curl. It doesn't take overly long to heat up, and you can actually see the numbers going up as it is heating up, and then it just flashes blue when it's ready to be used. And I find it doesn't take too long to cool down, which is what I like, because I don't like it when you have like a curling iron, a flat iron, and it takes a long time to cool down. So that's what I really do like about this. This is a really nice curling iron, and I'm so happy to have it because it just gave my hair like the curls that I like. These are the second day curls. I curled my hair last night. The clips that you guys have seen, that's when I curled it last night. And I find that you're not having a lot of frizz, static, knots after, which is what I find with some curling irons. I don't know why. It's very easy to use, and the manual makes it that much easier. I'm gonna show you guys how the curling wand worked while I was curling my hair, while my hair was like natural, so that you're able to see how it looked and how it worked. So that's about that. I have to say I really do like it a lot, and this is going to be like a curling iron that I'm going to grab a lot. I think this is going to be the one that just takes over. I think I'm going to be using this for years and years now because of how much I like it, because I haven't had like these types of curls in a long time. I like how fast it is, and I just like the result that it gave. And at the end of the day, that's what I find you look for in a curling iron. You don't want something that's like, it's okay. It only took me 10 minutes to curl my hair. It really did not take me long. The only reason why it took long was because of filming. I tried to get angles and stuff and it just wasn't working. But it really did not take me long to get like really nice curls. And just to even get the back of my head, it was really easy. So that's what I like. I liked that. One thing that I find is when you invest in a heat tool, it lasts a long time, the quality's there. You can tell the difference in your hair, in the curls and everything like that. So I'm going to have this linked in the description down below for you guys so that you guys can go check out this heat tool. I'm also going to have a couple little mini Instagram videos, pictures up on my Instagram, so you can go get that link down below to go there. So I want to say thank you again for them to send this curling iron over. You guys know by now that I'm always honest with my reviews. I mean, like, it kind of just speaks for itself because I love curly hair, and if you know me, you know how much I love curly hair and how picky I am with the curls. And just like, look, like I couldn't be happier, and I couldn't ask for better results, honestly. So it just speaks for itself. It really does. So that's about that. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.